So the last time we did share an update with you that the new PMP exam is going to come only on 2nd of Jan 2021. But now the good news is here. It is official. You can now take PMP from your home. PMP certification exam from your home in your pajamas. Let's take a look at some of the details. So how does this work? You can take the exam 24/7 anytime, any day of the week you can take the exam. What do you need? You need three things. You need a computer with a webcam, you need reliable internet connection, and you need a quiet space where you can spend a few uninterrupted hours. So these are the three things that you need to be able to take the exam from your home. Pearson Views on View. This is a feature on View. This makes this happen. And throughout you will be monitored by an off-site proctor. That's why you need that webcam, right? You will be monitored by a proctor. Communication with the proctor can be done in English only. So these are some of the specific details. If you have any questions, we've already taken up some questions that we thought you may have from the FAQs, so let's take a look at them. My exam is around the corner. Can I still take it at home? So let's say your PMP exam is next week, and the only way to take up the exam earlier was to visit the Pearson Views Exam Center. So if it is next week, you cannot go there owing to current situation. Can you take your PMP exam online? Of course you can. So how you do that is you need to go to the Pearson Views website. You need to log into your account, and then you need to cancel your existing exam date. So you cancel your existing exam date, which required you to go to the Pearson View Exam Center. Then you can reschedule a new exam date, and you can choose the online proctor testing option. So an option is now available which you can choose, and you can also choose a new exam date and take your PMP exam online. PMP is also waiving exam rescheduling fees for all exams until 1st of July 2020. So if your exam is scheduled till 1st of July 2020, any date till 1st of July 2020, you can reschedule your exam and PMI is not going to charge you any exam rescheduling fees. If the exam is 24/7, is it on demand? That means whenever you want to log in, you can log in and take up the exam. Is that the case? That is actually not the case. The exam is not on demand. See, you are required to be video monitored by a live proctor during your exam. So that is why you need to schedule the exam ahead of time. But appointments for the exam are offered 24/7. So you should be able to find a time which is convenient for your schedule. So the exam is 24/7, but it is definitely not on demand. You have to schedule it in advance. You have to see if a slot is available for the time that you're looking for, because a proctor needs to be available who is going to monitor you during the course of the exam. Can everyone take the exam online? Are there exceptions? Well, there are exceptions. So online proctor testing is not permitted in these countries: Cuba, Iran, Sudan, North Korea, mainland China, Japan, South Korea, and Slovenia. These are the countries where online proctored testing is not permitted. So aspirants from Japan, South Korea, and Slovenia, they must take their exams in a testing center. From mainland China, you must take your exam during a paper-based exam event, which occurs 4 times a year. And PMI is not permitted to conduct business in these countries: Cuba, Iran, Sudan, and North Korea, owing to sanctions. So this is why PMP aspirants from these countries cannot take the PMP exam online. I had opted for PMP in a non-English language. What now? Well, PMP exams, they are translated into multiple languages. That should be available even today. But your communication with the proctor, that is only going to be in English. So even if you're taking the PMP exam in a different language, the proctor is going to communicate with you only in English. What other PMI exams can I take online? So two exams were already available online. Those were PMI ACP, the Agile Certified Practitioner, and the Certified Associate in Program Management, CAPM. So these two certificates are already available online, and now PMP has also joined them. So these are the three exams from PMI that you can take online. All right, if you have any other questions related to this, you can drop them in the comments. I will also share direct links to the PMI website as well as the Pearson VUE website. Both of them have compiled a good list of questions and you should be able to get your answers there. So that's all that I had in this quick video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you're happy with taking your PMP exam from your home in your pajamas. Smash that like button if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. Also, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource.